Good morning, my dear students of second secondary. Today's lesson is called the sine law, and this lesson is both sections, scientific section and arts section. This lesson is first lesson of trigonometry. Let's start our lesson, the sine law. In any triangle ABC, as you see in the figure, here the side BC, which is opposite to angle A, is called A small. Also, the side AC, which is opposite to angle B, is called B small. The side AB, which is opposite to angle C, is called C small. Then the three sides of the triangle, A small, B small, and C small. A small is the opposite side to angle A. B small is the opposite side to angle B. C small is the opposite side to angle C. In triangle ABC, the sine law, A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. In any triangle, the lengths of the sides are proportional to the sines of the opposite angles. Another form for the sine law, A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C equals 2R. Here, R is the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle. For example, triangle XYZ is a triangle where measure of angle X equals 80, measure of angle Y equals 60, and Z small is given 10 centimeter. Find X and Y to the nearest centimeter. Find the length of the side X small and the side Y small to the nearest centimeter. The side X small is the side YZ. Also the side Y small is the side XZ. Solution. The first step, you should get the measure of the third angle. Measure of angle Z equals 180 minus 80 plus 60 equals 40 degree. Then we can write the sine law, X over sine X equals Y over sine Y equals Z over sine Z. Then substitute by the given values, X over sine angle X, which equals sine 80, equal Y over sine 60 equals 10 over sine 40. Then by using the cross multiplication, you can get the length of X. X equals 10 multiplied by sine 80 over sine 40. Also, Y equals 10 multiplied by sine 60 over sine 40. And the results will be Y equals 13 centimeter and X equals 15 centimeter. Another example. A triangle ABC is a triangle in which C small equals 19 and the measure of angle A equals 112, measure of angle B equals 33. Find to the nearest hundredth the length of B, small, and the radius of the circumcircle of triangle ABC. Solution. The first step, as the previous example, you should find the measure of the third angle. Here, the given values are measure of angle A and the measure of angle B. So you should find the measure of the third angle. Measure of angle C equals 180 minus 33 minus 112. Then measure of angle C equals 35 degree. The triangle ABC this is A small, B small, and C small. Here, measure of angle C equals 35 degree. Then A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. Take care. You should use the sine rule if you have two angles, if given two angles and the length of one side. Then A over sine angle A, which equals 112, B over sine B, sine 33, equals C, 19 over sine 35 equals 2R. To get the value of A, you should use cross multiplication. A equals 19 multiplied by sine 112 over sine 35. Also, B, A is not required, B is required. B equals 19 multiplied by sine 33 over sine 35. Then the value of B small will be 18.04 centimeter. And to get the radius, the length of the radius of the circumcircle, since 19 over sine 35 equals 2R, then radius of the circumcircle equals 19 over sine 35, all is divided by 2. Again, 19 over sine 35 equals 2R, then the radius of the circumcircle equals 19 over sine 35 divided by 2. And here is the value of R. Then R equals 16.56 centimeters. Another example, in triangle ABC, if measure of angle A equals 60 and the measure of angle B equals 45, then prove that the ratio between the three sides A, B, and C equals root 6 to 2 to root 3 plus 1. Since the measure of the two angles A and B is given, then firstly you should find the measure of angle C. Measure of angle C equals 180. Measure of angle C equals 180 minus 60 plus 45. Then measure of angle C equals 75. I write the sine law, A over sine 60 equals B over sine 45 equals C over sine 75. Then A over sine 60, which equals root 3 over 2. This is the value of sine 60. B over sine 45, root 2 over 2. And the C over sine 75 equals root 6 plus root 2 over 4. To simplify this ratio, you should multiply each term by 2 root 2. Then A over root 6 equals B over 2 equals C over root 3 plus 1. Then the ratio between the three sides A, B and C will be equal root 6 to 2 to root 3 plus 1. Another example. In triangle ABC, if measure of angle A equals 57 and 57 degree and 13 minutes, measure of angle B equals 64 degree and 18 minutes, and C small equals 8.7 centimeter. Find the area and the perimeter of the triangle and the circumference and the area of the circle. Solution. Firstly, you should get the measure of the third angle, where measure of angle C equals 180 minus 57 degree 13 minutes plus 64 degree 18 minutes. Then measure of angle C equals 58 degree 29 minutes. The rule of the sine law, A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. Then A over sine, I'll substitute by the given values of angles and sides. A over sine A over sine 57 13 equals B over sine B 64 and 18. Here is 18 minutes only, equals C small 8.7 over sine 58 degree 25 minutes. Therefore, by using cross multiplication, then B equals 8.7 multiplied by sine 64 18 over sine 58 25. It will be 9.2 centimeter. Also, A, by using a cross multiplication, A equals 8.7 multiplied by sine 57 degree 13 minutes over sine C, which equals the sine 58 degree, here is 29 not 25, 29 minutes. Then the value of B equals 9.2 centimeter. Also, the value of A equals 8.6 centimeter. Therefore, A equals 8.6 and B equals 9.2. Since to get the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle ABC, 8.7 over sine 58 25 equals here 2r. This ratio equals 2r. Then to get the radius, I'll divide the ratio 8.7 over sine 58 29 all these value should be divided by 2. Therefore, the radius equals 5.1 centimeter. You can see these steps again. Then the radius will be 5.1 centimeter. Also, the area of triangle ABC equal half multiplied by A multiplied by B sine angle C. And this rule, we have studied it before in first secondary second term. The area of any triangle, area of triangle ABC, you can find the area of the triangle by using this rule: half multiplied by A multiplied by B sine angle C. Then half multiplied by 8.6 multiplied by 9.2 multiplied by sine angle C, which equals 58 degree 29 minutes. This is 9. Then the area equals 38.7 centimeter squared. The rule to get the area of a triangle: half multiplied by A multiplied by B multiplied by sine C. Here the steps again. It is required also to get the perimeter of the triangle. The perimeter is the sum of the three sides of the triangle, equals A plus B plus C equals 26.5 centimeter. And the circumference of the circle, the rule of the circumference equals 2 pi r, then 2 multiplied by pi, 3.14, multiplied by the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle. The circumference of the circumcircle of this triangle equals 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius of the circumcircle, which equals 32.08. Also the area of the circumcircle of this triangle, the area rule, pi r power 2 equals 3.14, the value of pi, multiplied by the radius of the circumcircle, 5.1 squared equals 81.7 centimeter squared. In this example, we get the value of the radius of the circumcircle, the value of the three sides, the area of the triangle, the perimeter of this triangle, the circumference of the circumcircle, and the area of the circumcircle of this triangle. The steps again. Another examples of the sine rule. If the perimeter of triangle ABC equals 40 and the measure of angle A 44, measure of angle B equals 66 degrees, find the length of each side of the triangle ABC. Solution. Firstly, you should get the measure of the third angle. Measure angle C 180 minus 44 plus 66 equals 70. Then by using the sine rule, A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. If we add the numerator of the three ratios A plus B plus C over sine A plus sine B plus sine C. A plus B plus C here equals the perimeter of the triangle ABC. So we can write another term in this ratio, which is the perimeter of the triangle over the sum of the sides of the angle. Perimeter of triangle ABC over sine A plus sine B plus sine C. Here A over sine 44 equal B over sine 66 equal C over sine 70 equals 40, which is the perimeter of the triangle over the sum of these values, 2.5479. Then by using a cross multiplication, A equals 40, A equals 40 multiplied by sine 44 over 2.5479. Also B equals 40 multiplied by sine 66 over 2.5479. C equals 40 times sine 70 over 2.5479. Then the three side length will be A equals 10.91 centimeter, B equals 14.34 centimeters, and the C equals 14.75 centimeters. Another example, in triangle XYZ, if 3 sine X equals 4 sine Y equals 2 sine Z, then find X to Y to Z, the ratio between the three sides X, Y, and Z. Solution. The given values 3 sine X, 4 sine Y, and 2 sine Z. The LCM, the lowest common multiple of the three numbers, 3 and 4 and 2 equals 12. If you forget the LCM of these numbers, you can multiply 3 multiply 4 multiply 2 and the given value equals 24, and the result will be 24. Then 3 sine X, 4 sine Y, and 2 sine Z, the three given values, I'll divide each value by 24. Then 3 sine X over 24 equals 4 sine Y over 24 equals 2 sine Z over 24. I'll simplify this value. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 24 divided 4 equals 6, and 24 divided by 12 equals by 2 equals 12. Then sine X over 8 equals sine Y over 6 equals sine Z over 12, and this is the form of sine rule. Then X to Y to Z, this is X small, this is Y small, and Z small. Then X to Y to Z equals 8 to 6 to 12. I'll divide by 2 to get the ratio in the simplest form. Then the value in the simplest form equals 4 to 3 to 6. Then X to Y to Z equals 4 to 3 to 6. Another example. In triangle ABC, sine A over 3 equals 2 sine B over 5 equals sine C over 4. Find the ratio between the three side lengths A to B to C. Solution. Multiply the three given ratios by half, 1 over 2. To put the three ratios in the simplest form, you should multiply all of the terms of this ratio by 1 over 2 to get rid of 2. To get rid of the number 2. Then sine A over 3 multiplied by sine A over 3 multiplied by half equals 6. Sine A over 6 equals sine B over 5 equals sine C over 8. Again, here are the three ratios. Sine A over 3 equals 2 sine B over 5 equals sine C over 4. I'll multiply each ratio by 1 over 2. Why 1 over 2? To get rid of this number. Then 2 will be cancelled by 2, and sine A, 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6, sine B over 5 equals sine C over 8. And this is the result we get here. Then this form is the sine rule. Then A small to B small to C small will be A to B to C will be 6 to 5 to 8. You can see the steps again, the final result. Then A to B to C equals 6 to 5 to 8. Thank you.